On behalf of the mighty Matador NJRTC, good day. Will you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, Texas Pledge, and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Yo prometo lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios entera con libertad y justicia para todos.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Honra la bandera de Texas. Prometo lealtad a ti, Texas, un estado bajo Dios único e indivisible.
Carry colors. Ready, cut. Left turn.
What's up, Matadors? Today is Tuesday, January 20th, 2026. I'm Alcoser.
And I'm Jaiden Montanez.
Coming up, seniors, do you want to get an ad in the yearbook? We'll tell you how to make that happen.
Plus, our cheer team competed in UIL this weekend. We'll tell you how they did and all that and more, so let's get started.
So stay tuned because MatCast starts right now. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of MatCast.
We're your go-to spot for all things Matador Nation, so let's get started. We want to congratulate our Matador cheer team on a successful UIL competition weekend. The team competed in Fort Worth this weekend at the UIL State Cheerleading Competition, where they went up against cheer teams from all across the state. They had a jam-packed weekend full of travel, cheering, and making memories. We want to once again congratulate them all on their hard work and dedication.
Believe it or not, but May really isn't that far away, and you won't want to miss out on your opportunity to get this year's yearbook at a discounting price. The price is currently discounted to $70, but it'll go up on March 1st. You can order online at yearbookforever.com, or you could pay with cash in room D209. Also, seniors, if you want to purchase a personal ad for the yearbook, they are due before spring break. The prices are on your screen now. If you'd like more information on ads, you can go by D29 with Mr. Cantu Ayala. So don't miss out on your chance to get your copy of the yearbook.
Our track team has officially released their 2026 merch. You can go to the bit.ly/Seguin Track 2026 merch to get your exclusive 2026 gear now. They have shirts, sweaters, shorts, caps, and more. All money goes to support our athletes during this season, and we greatly appreciate any support you can provide. But don't wait long. The store closes January 21st.
Our Grupo Folclórico de Seguin High School is now offering their springtime merch. You could go to bit.ly/Folclórico Merch Spring 26 to get your shirt. All proceeds help continue building our amazing Folclórico program. We hope you all can support them. So order soon, and don't forget to go out and support our Folclórico at the next spring performing wearing your new merch.
Do you like taking it back old school? Well, our athletics department has covered you, literally. These are our new snapback caps with the Texas flag in the gold, black, white under the brim. They are only $35 and can be purchased in the athletic office. There is no pre-order required, and they are ready to go. So grab your retro snapback today.
Are you a senior that needs scholarships and opportunities? Well, you're in luck. GVEC has something for you too. Scholarships are awarded each year to graduate high school seniors who want to continue their education at college or trade school. Scholarships are for $2,500 and are awarded in two disbursements, $1,250 for the fall semester and $1,250 for the spring semester. Scan the QR code on your screen for more information. This is a great opportunity for all our seniors to apply. So don't wait until the last minute.
Attention students, if you would like to get involved with playing music for our softball and baseball games, then listen up. If you would like to help our Matador radio team run the soundboard for our home games, go by room D106 with Mr. Cantu. You will be trained on how to use the systems in place and may have the opportunity to announce as well. This is a great opportunity for anyone interested in sports broadcasting to get a behind-the-scenes look and experience.
Those are all the announcements today.
Reporting to you from the Mac Cave and Delta House, I'm Jaiden Montanez.
And I'm Alcoser. Let's keep this year strong, let's stay focused, stay positive, and keep pushing forward because the future is now.